Ever wondered how to navigate the labyrinth of your own mind, especially when the shadows of anxiety, depression, or stress loom large? Sandrom Jovanović Miljko, a passionate diploma psychologist with specializations in trauma and clinical psychology, is here to guide you through this maze. Sandra offers a spectrum of services tailored to meet the unique needs of each individual. Whether you're grappling with anxiety disorders, depression, stress, learning difficulties, burnout, eating disorders, addiction problems, or adjustment issues, Sandra's expertise can guide you towards a path of healing and self-discovery. Her approach is grounded in online psychological counseling, a method that marries convenience with efficacy. This process begins with finding a reputable platform that ensures your privacy and comfort. Next, the journey of self-improvement kicks off with setting realistic goals, milestones that are achievable and measurable. Regular follow-ups then ensure you stay on track, providing a consistent source of motivation and support. Sandra's services extend beyond the individual to encompass groups, families, and even professional settings. She's committed to helping those under heavy strain to reduce stress, overcome crises and fears, and prevent burnout. As a therapist and stress management expert, she values the harmony of physical, emotional, and mental health for her clients. Remember, the services Sandra offers are a powerful tool in your arsenal for dealing with the challenges life throws your way. To summarize, Sandra provides a comprehensive suite of online psychological counseling services. These are designed to help you reduce stress, prevent and stop burnout at work, cope with crises, eradicate fears and panic, overcome emotional traumas, solve learning problems and blocks, overcome depressive thoughts, and reach your goals. So, if you're ready to leave yesterday behind, enjoy today and look forward to a future without fear and stress, Sandra is ready to support you on this journey. For more information about how she can help, feel free to visit her website at www.psycholog.bayan or email info@psycholog.bayan.